Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for The Sims 4 error code 24576. The error reads, "Unable to start game." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch The Sims Medieval. Users have reported that the error appears after entering the product key or following a recent game patch. Some users also experience this error on their Steam Deck. According to our research, this error may come if your antivirus software is blocking the game. It can also occur if the game is no longer supported on your current operating system. The first thing you should check is your antivirus software. If you have any antivirus installed, make sure it is not blocking the game. Add the game to your antivirus whitelist and then try launching it again. Also keep in mind that The Sims Medieval may not be supported on systems beyond Windows 10 or on most Apple devices, so if your system doesn't support the game, the error will likely come. If your device supports the game and antivirus isn't the issue, then check if your device firmware needs an update. If there is an update available, install it and check for the error again. If none of these steps work, then uninstall the game completely and reinstall it. After reinstalling, check if the error is resolved. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.